Content ID isn't what kills these channels. Channel-level demonetization for inauthentic content is, and most builders never see it coming. Most people think copyright strikes are the biggest threat, but for automated channels like this Drama Factory, the real killer is YouTube's policy on reuse content. If your channel looks like a bot farm with no original framing, you get demonetized at the channel level, not per video. That's why I built this pipeline with original narration and caption styling, to prove the content is transformed, not just reposted. The pipeline starts with a scout script. It scans a folder of source clips, in this case, Chinese short dramas. Each clip is a scene, typically 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Scout checks the file name, duration, and resolution. It outputs a JSON manifest of all clips to process. Next, I feed each clip's original Chinese dialogue into DeepSeek, an LLM I run locally via API. The prompt is simple. Translate this dialogue into natural Vietnamese, keep the tone dramatic, and output as plain text. DeepSeek returns the translated script for each clip. I store it in a JSON alongside the clip path. Then I generate the voiceover. I use 11 Labs for TTS, specifically a Vietnamese voice model. Each translated line gets sent to the API, and I get back an audio file. I name it after the clip so the renderer can match them. This step is sequential, one clip at a time, to avoid rate limits. This is where the magic happens, and where I hit the hardest bug. The renderer takes each clip, its translated audio, and burns subtitles using Libus. But if I try to concatenate all clips with separate audio tracks into one ffmpeg command, the command string gets too long on Windows. Win error 206. So I premix all the audio clips into a single narration file first. Then I feed that one file to ffmpeg. Now it works for hour-long dramas. The renderer outputs two versions, 16.9 for YouTube and 9.16 for Shorts. Finally, upload.py handles the YouTube data API. It uses OAuth with a service account. It reads the rendered video file, the thumbnail auto-generated from a frame, and the metadata, title in Vietnamese, description with tags. It pushes the video and schedules it if needed. The whole pipeline is triggered by a single command, Python run py. The non-obvious lesson, about 60% of this infrastructure is reusable. The render, upload, thumbnail generation, and subtitle alignment scripts are completely generic. I can swap the source language, target language, or even the content type. Just change the LLM prompt and TTS voice. The real number, I process about 20 clips per drama, each taking more 2 minutes total pipeline time. So a 40-minute drama takes under an hour end to end. The trade-off, you trade off content ID risk for demonetization risk. Original narration and captions help, but you still need to prove authenticity through channel branding and consistent upload patterns. If you're building similar pipelines, the key is to focus on the infrastructure that's reusable. That's where the leverage is. I'll link the tools I actually use. 11 Labs for TTS is linked below. And if you want more deep dives into automation systems like this, subscribe. No fluff, just builds. Just